Firstly, I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude to Shiv Nadar Institute of Eminence for having us over. This was truly one of the best workshops I've ever been to. It started with the Dean's Professor Sanjeev's session, which was so knowledgeable. We gained knowledge about environment, economy and employment, which were the 3 E's that he mentioned, and how we can contribute to them being a part of this institute. We visited multiple labs. The most interesting, I think I have to mention it, was the viewing the live cancer cells and the multiple dyes used for it. They were from the mouse, I believe.
We also went to the virology lab learning about virus and the hazards.
Whatever we have studied theoretically in biology till now, we are getting to see it in real life. We saw PCR machines and centrifuges and other various instruments that we have only read about till now. We also got to perform an experiment, the isolation of DNA, and to be honest, I really loved it.
We explore many things like incubation, DNA isolation, and students have a very good idea for the biotechnology.
This event that's organized by the Life Science Department of Shiv Nadar University is of great importance and provides a different dimension to students in their learning and their growth. Students learn science in school in a very theoretical manner, though they learn about many technology, many equipment which we might not have in schools. But to learn about those things in a practical way, to understand and experience them in a lab, to talk to researchers, to talk to scientists, to experience how it is to be in a lab. That's very important for students before they make a decision about whether they want to study pure sciences and go till research level.